AirPlus International, a leading travel payment specialist with over 43,000 global clients across 60 countries, identified a problem we see a lot in the workplace. Its employees were struggling to handle the day-to-day flood of meetings, emails, inquiries, deadlines and reports, and felt they were always over-busy, but not necessarily focused on the right things. Sound familiar? It often does, but it doesn't have to be that way. After 3 years of working with AirPlus, implementing Getting Things Done methodology across the organization, our research found 72% of employees reported a productivity increase of over 15%, and 71% reported feeling less stressed. Our expert GTD trainers and coaches educated over 200 employees on key GTD practices. This involved setting up effective systems to handle their workflow, creating space to allow them to think creatively without distraction or day-to-day pressures, and creating an organizational system that they trust. We helped employees transform their unstructured and unhelpfully vague to-do lists into clearly defined, highly effective reminders, and also showed them how to conduct regular reviews to keep everything on track. The training was offered to all employees at all levels, and by putting the GTD methodology into practice, executives at AirPlus report that the organization is collectively more productive, more responsive, and less stressed. Spencer Hanlon, COO, has said that as a result of the GTD coaching, company meetings are more productive and efficient. And when facing challenging obstacles in the workplace, those practicing GTD are more engaged and willing to take on a challenge. The training also had a positive impact on employees' personal lives. Because they were more efficient, they had the option to work less without sacrificing productivity. 67% said they can switch off better after work, and 38% said they have more time for their partner or family. If you think GTD could benefit your team or organization, get in touch with Next Action Associates to discuss how we can help you increase productivity, reduce stress, and work better together.